I'll swim and sail on savage seas with ne'er a fear of drowning, and gladly ride the waves of life if you would marry me. No scorching sun nor freezing cold will stop me on my journey if you will promise me your heart
and love me for eternity. My dearest one, my darling dear, your mighty words astound me, but I've no need of mighty deeds when I feel your arms around me.
But I would bring you rings of gold, I'd even sing you poetry, and I would keep you from all harm if you would stay beside me.
I have no use for rings of gold, I care not for your poetry. I only want your hand to hold.
I only want you near me, to love, to kiss, to sweetly hold, for the dancing and the dreaming. Through all the sorrows and delights, I'll keep your love beside me. I'll swim and sail on savage seas with ne'er a fear